Alright guys, we just picked up the van. As you can see, about to be a 7-day adventure out in Zion, Grand Canyon stuff. We're at Walmart right now, about to pick up some groceries out here in Las Vegas. We're about to have a good time, so y'all follow us along for our trip, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Once upon a time, you dressed so fine, threw the bums a dime in your prime. Didn't you? People called, say beware dawn, you're bound to fall. You thought they were all just kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging.
Continuing our way back down. Gonna go to the campground, get some food rolling. We are cooking burgers. What time is it?
10:07, folks.
Alright, we got our sticks, got our shoes. Now we just gotta get in line. And looks like here it is. Ton of people. We have made it to the front of the line. We are about to enter the Zion shuttle bus.
Get strong next to you. If I heaver, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's heavering to you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more to be the man who walked 1,000 miles.
Alright, we got to our first little deep spot. Fantastic little rock waterfall there.
Who's working hard for you? Almost every penny on to you. When I come home, I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back home to you. If I go, well I know I'm gonna be.
It's this little beautiful sneak peek of the sun finally. And out. Impressive. So I think that's pretty much it for the Narrows. I'm gonna hike back, try not to film too much unless, you know, we see some pretty cool stuff on the way back. But other than that, we'll see you at the next hike. Got anything to say?
Oh, it's cold.
When I'm dreaming, well I know I'm gonna dream. When I go, well I know I'm gonna be the man.
Welcome back, guys. You're famous. Camera pulls, baby. Y'all ready for this? Woo. Trail here. We're gonna get back in our camper, head to the next campsite, and do some grilling and chilling. And then we're gonna be back on some new trails tomorrow at the Coral Pink Sand Dunes. Sound about right? Yeah. And then also maybe hit up a detour on the Kanab Reservoir, something like that. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but see. Good morning from the coral pink sand dunes. We come to you live with a nice hot pot of coffee. And our good neighbor over here just gave us a big old thing of orange juice. Nice and cool. Whew, definitely needed that. And we're about to cook some breakfast this morning and hit some dunes. We'll see you then. Top of the sand dune here. Try to go down here. It's hot. It's hard to walk in the sand, but
It's speak my point of view, but it's not sane. It's not sane. I just want someone to set me. I'll always be there when you You know I like to keep my cheeks dry today. So stay with me and I'll have it made. And I don't understand why I sleep all day. And I start to complain that there's no rain. And all I can do is read a book to stay. It's a great escape. 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 Point of view that I'm insane. It's not sane. It's not sane. I just want someone to set me. I'll always be there when you wait. You know I like to keep my cheeks dry.
I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. They trap you and they use you before you even know. For love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show.
do you think about that? What do you think, Steve?
The backstage back on earth again. The dressing rooms are great. They come on strong, and it ain't too long, but I make you feel a man. But love is blind, and you soon will find you're just a boy again.
To my love, took it down.
Say hi, elk.
I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down.
Wow.
Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I handle the seasons of my life?
Oh.
Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around.
See if you can hear this echo on film.
But time makes you bolder, even children get older.
All right, on the way back on this trail, I didn't go too far down. It is heat of the day, extremely hot out here. Look at Elise, she's a boss. Made it out to Radiator Springs. Woo. Got Lightning McQueen and Mater right here on this wall, Route 66.
Well, if you ever plan to motor west, Jack, take my way, it's the highway, that's the best. Oh man. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it goes from St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty, you see. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingsman, Warskow, San Bernardino. Won't you get hip to this kindly tip, Jack, and take that California trip.
Grand Canyon Cavern, so we're gonna
get your kicks on Route 66. Oklahoma City looks so pretty, you see. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingsman, Warskow, San Bernardino. Won't you get hip to that kindly tip, Jack, and take that California trip? your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66.
Once I wanted to be the greatest. No waterfall could stop me. And then came the rush of the flood. Stars at night turned deep to dust, melt me down to be like I'm out. Leave no trace of grace, just in your honor. Lower me down, corporate side. You can watch the space in town for the leg and the dreads in my bed. Been sleeping